This is the second newer elevator at 655 Church Street in Indiana, Pennsylvania. This is an Eastern elevator with GAO RWB Jet Plus. This is from 2002, I believe. Go up to 3, if that's open, which it is. Dim light here to go up. A very annoying fan on this elevator. This is car 4. Here at 3. Jump over here. Only G opens over there. Back down the ground. It doesn't work for that side. It's a basic red laminate cap. There's a dim LED strip there. There was a ceiling panel there, but it was removed. But the light is up to code because there are protective covers. Certificate. Can't see the permanent. Oh, there we go. 2002. Push-pull stop, which is interesting for this new of an install. Here back at ground and 1 are not that far apart. This is, I think, the ADA entrance to the building. Now, I think that was pretty quick.